Welcome to Sigasi Studio. In this clip, we're going to show you how to use the differential tool. Built into Sigasi is a versatile side-by-side differential tool. Sigasi Studio takes snapshots in the background while you're working on your project. The Compare With tool allows you to compare different revisions or be it saved states of a file as you work on your project. Just right-click the file you wish to check on. Go to Compare With, then click on Local History. Down here, an extra History tab opens, allowing you to select the snapshot you wish to compare to. Double-click on one, and the editor window now splits into two side-by-side comparison windows, allowing you to compare the different versions or history of a file. Additionally, buttons at the top make it easy to integrate code snippets from other versions into your current one. But this is not the whole picture. If your project files are kept in a revision control system, Sigasi Studio also integrates support for these repositories. Since this particular project is kept in Git, under the same Compare With menu, you will find the head revision entry to compare with the last committed version. In the Compare With menu, you'll also find entries to compare with a specific revision on a repository. Additionally, right-clicking and selecting Team allows you to commit, push, fetch, or pull to or from a repository. Finally, the Replace With menu allows you to jump back to a previous file version, be it from a repository or your local history. Discover all other exciting features at insights.sigasi.com.